This vlog with a very emergency note. We have a flight to take off at 7:35 and we are still in check-in at 7:05. I have no idea what will happen. We are fucking late, guys. I'm scared. I have no idea what will happen. We finally made it. Last call and we are at the last call. Oh my god. Truly an adventurous vlog, guys. Finally boarded the flight. Let's go. Oh my god, it was a heck of a thing. We were in airport till the final call and finally we got the bus and finally we are in the flight, so safe. Yes, finally let's go to Tirchi, guys. So stay tuned, I'll take you guys along with me. So today it's gonna be a very big day, so yeah, stay tuned. Let's go, guys. We finally landed in Trichy International Airport and we're damn hungry because of all those adventure moments that just happened in Hyderabad. So let's get out of the airport and let's have something. Stay tuned. Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pratiksha and this is my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, finally we landed in Tirchi International Airport, and as you guys have seen the previous clips, it was one of the heck of journey because we boarded the flight exact at the final call. So we were late basically. We literally thought that we are gonna miss our flight, but we ran like anything. And my friend Priya is with me. So she walks very fast, so that is the one which saved us from missing the flight literally. So, and yes guys, we are in Tamil Nadu and you know why, right? Because you guys have seen my previous vlog where we did Kanmani's bride to be, and we are here to attend her wedding on her big day and we are so excited for that. So today it's gonna be a very long day for us because we have some plans of visiting few temples in Tanjore and here in Tirchi. So I'll take you guys along with me, and as you guys can see, we are in traditional because it's Kanmani's orders for us to be in traditional because it's a village. So she has strictly ordered us that we have to come in a perfect traditional wear. So yes guys, so let's go to temple. Before that we have to eat. We are hungry. It's already 9 o'clock and we are waiting for our driver to come. So yeah, stay tuned. And guys, one more thing I forgot to tell you guys is this vlog is gonna be way more funny because we both doesn't know Tamil, and people here, even if they know English and Hindi, they doesn't open their mouth in any other language. So what do you think? How our day is gonna be?
Maybe just like you said, 50 this way, that way. I think
So
that is
yeah,
what
so the other day in office Priya was asking me about this and I told her we'll do actions and we'll show them like whatever we want, like food or time or anything like that. So that is how we are gonna communicate with people here. Obviously we don't know, we can manage in Hindi, English, Kannada, she can manage in Telugu, even I can manage in Telugu, but Tamil, my god, that language is only like we don't understand nor we can't speak that language. So yes guys, just stay tuned and watch this funny vlog. It's gonna be very funny for sure. Okay guys, we are here to have a breakfast. Let's eat Tamil Nadu breakfast. AC. It's hot. But it's good.
We love it already.
So good. Guys, we had some amazing South Indian breakfast which was so good. I don't know, maybe we were hungry, that's why we felt it good, or it was really good, but it was really good, guys. So good. Loved it. So now we are going to Sri Rangam temple, which is one of the famous temple in Tamil Nadu, Tirchi. So let's go there and I'll meet you guys there. Guys, we have reached Sri Rangam and we are entering it. So I hope I can show you guys inside, but I don't know if it's allowed. So, but I'll show you outside. It's so huge and it's so good to see. So guys, we are done with darshanam and it was really good, but unfortunately we couldn't vlog inside. So yeah, it's like rules in every big temples, right? So it's way too hot and we're drinking coke, and Priya is also drinking, and we got cold water as well. But dude, it's so hot in Tamil Nadu, guys. Okay, so next we will be going to Tanjore, and I'm sorry if I couldn't vlog well in Sri Rangam because rules are rules, guys. It's not in my hands. And coming back to the Murti inside, it is similar to Thiruvananthapuram Venkateshwara Swami, which is lying down. It's so good, so peaceful. We felt really good. We waited for almost 1 hour to reach inside, but it was worth it, right?
Yes, it was.
Yeah. Okay guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna chill for some time because I'm sweating like anything. Guys, we stopped here for lunch. It's almost 2 o'clock and we are in Tanjore now. So let's have Tamil style chicken biryani here. Ready to eat biryani.
Yes.
So we are trying RR biryani. I have tried this RR biryani in Mysore, but yeah, but I don't think the both are same.
This is
So let's see. Serving here in banana leaf, which is really good. I love having in banana leaf. What about you? You like?
I'll try for the first time.
Oh, you never had in banana leaf? Sad life, bro. Okay guys, I learned a very new thing in Tamil Nadu here. Our driver Anna told us that. So the thing is, this banana leaf, if we after finishing everything, if we put it this side, that means that we like the food and we will come again. And if we fold it from this side, it is other way around. So good. So that is what we learned, right?
Yes.
Nice. Our food is here.
This also?
Guys, she's from America.
Hey.
She wants spoon to eat biryani.
When did I say that? I'm just wondering how it will Look at this. I just love.
Amazing lunch, and it was really fulfilling and very good, different taste. And now we are going to Tanjore Palace, and after that we'll be visiting Tanjore Temple. So now the time is so it's 2:45, and it will take just 5 minutes to reach palace. So until then we'll get little touch up and then we'll get down. Stay tuned. Now we are in Tanjore Palace. In Tanjore Palace, we are inside Saraswati Library. So let's see what's inside it. So here, museum is there actually. So we are at one museum, and it's so beautiful. All paintings in the wall and everything. To watch audio visual library, so it looks like a theater. Interesting. Guys, we just went to audiovisual library and it was so good. It had all the explanation about Tanjore district, and we didn't know so many things about Tanjore, and feels so good to know so much info about it. And the temple, Tanjore temple, is one of the world UNESCO heritage, it seems. I didn't know that. So yeah, it feels so good to know things about South Indian states which we didn't know. So yes, now let's explore this palace, guys. Guys, I'm trying to have a conversation in Tamil with these people, but couldn't capture any of them. But it was so fun, full fun. So palace is done. Now we are going to temple. Let's go. Our driver is waiting for us. Okay, guys, we are in the world's one of the biggest temple, and that is Tanjore in Tamil Nadu. And this temple is fully carved in stone, and it is from Chola dynasty. They built this temple. It is so huge. Let me show you guys. I know camera doesn't give justice, but I tell you guys, if you anytime come to Tanjore, you have to visit this. It's so beautiful. Okay, guys, that was about Brideshwara temple, and it's really very huge. So that's done. So Brideshwara temple is done, and what all we had marked, everything is done. So now it is 5:30. I hope you guys are enjoying my video so far. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys like my video, and if you anytime visited Tanjore. So let me know down that in the comment section. And yes, guys, stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, so we thought of doing sari shopping, but that is not happening because we didn't find what sari we wanted. So now we are going to Pattukottai where Kanmani is there. So after going there, we'll meet her like for 5-10 minutes and then we are going to our hotel. So that's it. We are done for the day. We are tired. We want rest. Hi guys. Hi Priya. So we reached Pattukottai guys and we took a rest for some time and now we are going to find food for ourselves. So we met groom but we didn't met bride yet, so we are gonna meet her tomorrow. So yeah, so now we are gonna go find food for ourselves. Groom's friend joined us to find food. This is Pattukottai guys. Guys, after coming to this restaurant, we realized that Pattukottai has Swiggy and Zomato, so we are gonna order it from outside. And now we are here to get water bottle. Finally, Priya is so happy that she found a bakery. What are you gonna take?
Not many things. Buy this.
My God, this lady. We thought you're a gym freak. Oh, banana chips, no. We thought you're a gym freak.
Yeah.
But you eat all such stuff.
Yeah, eat
Still
it,
you are like this.
do gym. Exactly. That's the point.
I
Eat
don't
and
like
do
any
gym.
of these, but still I'm like this. Your shopping, madam.
Not yet.
See this basket.
You want Oreo?
No, I don't eat all such stuff.
What do you need?
I want biryani.
Patanji,
This lady got so much stuff from outside. If you see her, do you think she eats all this? Let me know in comment section. Seeing her, I don't feel like this figure will eat such stuff. So which one you gonna eat first?
Let's do this.
Okay, let's eat.
Yeah.
Taste not good,
Absolute shit.
but it's good I feel. Jackfruit chips है ना ये?
नहीं. Some potato.
Maravalli kuchi. And we got this. This is my most favorite thing. And the only chocolate which I eat is this. So I got this for myself. So yes. So guys, we came from out. We got some snacks for us because we were hungry and we have no idea what we are gonna do for dinner. We are literally very tired and we want to take rest, of course, because it was really a very long day, as you guys have already seen. So I hope you guys liked my video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe and comment. Please do comment because it will be very helpful for me. And yes, now this is the time to end my vlog. I'm gonna get freshen up and sleep, and this is a perfect time to end this vlog here. So tomorrow we are gonna meet Kanmani, which I'll be continuing in my next vlog and ending this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. See you all in my next vlog. Bye guys.